Well, this is a 1977 Harley Davidson Ironhead Sportster 1000cc. Engine, frame, swinging arm and yokes. The engine turns over because I've put a spanner on there and it turns over. I haven't been able to check anything else with the engine or the gearbox, but it looks complete and untampered with. There's nothing been took off and put back on in the haste there. The frame looks good condition, and they're matching numbers. It's starts with 3A. I think that's just the XLH model. So check it out on eBay.